Hello friends, today I have brought a very lovely bag design for you that we have here. You might be seeing the upper side that has been prepared with ancient materials, was one of the old ones that had come down here from previous generations and settled in this area long ago. It has come down from the depths of the ancient belly, and on the inside we indeed have a small pocket located right here. It looks very nice. There are two specific points where pockets are incorporated. Both have effectively utilized the anchor thread here, which you will clearly see in the color. This lovely design is truly beautiful. Let's take a look at how to cut it properly after I show you the detailed process of how it was made. Friends, the old paint we have stored here is the same one we used to create the beautiful background you saw, so first we need to open this up carefully. We will need to open it up, so we will carefully give this seam from this side and spread it out completely. Here, my friends, you can clearly see that I have provided a thorough call for zinc, and we have successfully profited from it, is along with the companion who is present on the side. Here's how you can effectively remove the sticker from the surface. It has been completely taken out from this location, and the entire piece is now located here. Let's separate it this way. You'll see here like this. If I talk about the size here, our size is in this way. If we look at it in this length, it will come. 15 inches. Now you have the information that is located directly below this part here for your reference. This is the section above where we have this beautiful vine. You need to take care of the pasting process. You can place anything in it, like we can do the cutting here and then put the form seat in its place. We take it, we apply it, but now here you will see this shining one. This is a thick paste and it remains correct if we use this as well, so there are things that happen, one of which is a stick pasting. We evenly spread it over the entire piece thoroughly. The paste is now complete. We have carefully pasted it on both sides, ensuring to maintain this specific margin here for stitching. Now the straight side takes on this shape right here. We will continue to maintain it in this manner. We will carefully mark such important signs while crossing the street for everyone's safety. We will clearly mark it here in this specific way within the piece. We have now marked it this way. Anchor on every mark. We will stitch up the stain. So here we are, dear friends, gathered together in this way. You have. The 3 marks are only on the upper side. And here, look at This lovely anchor's stain will gradually fade away. You can use any color. I have used khaki, red, maroon, black, any color you like. What is your name? Here is decreasing. This is exactly how we find ourselves here, in full piece. In this way, minimize the anchor thread throughout the entire piece. We'll take if you cross this way. You can also apply it if you wish. One side will be like this for us, and the straight side will be like this. Now we are here in this way. Let's double this. After doubling like this, we need to cut the base down here. He is here on one side. We will begin our approach and take it from this side. We will make a box here like this, and we will make boxes over there as well. 1.5. And you are 1 inch. We have made boxes on both sides, and now we will cut on these boxes here. This is our lower base. Is going to stay now. We need to get another piece of fabric in the same size. This approach offers us, we need to take a piece of fabric of the same size here, and we can place it down like this. We will keep it this way. After this moment, we have the fabric here located directly from above. And here like this. It is ours. It reaches a fabric level. Our cutting process is now complete, friends. We have opened the pocket here, and we will attach the pocket securely on one side here. In this way, the other person is indeed present here with us now. However, we will attach it at the current level that exists. Now, let's learn to attach the handle and pocket on the machine, preparing and learning. Hey friends, first in stitching we need to place it here above the pocket at the center point, so in this way you can position it in the center. We will maintain it in this manner and carefully slice the edge right here. Friends, we have added the pocket. We have provided the necessary item, and here we have carefully prepared the handle. So we will see our 20-inch handle displayed here. So here we can accomplish it effectively in this particular way. We will place the handle this way, and have 2.5 inches on both sides from the center. Maintain an important gap. Please attach it here in this manner. We will take, friends. We have installed handles on both sides here after putting them on. Now we need to carefully attach the Jeep here, so we will position the Jeep like this. Part like this. All right, and here we are. We will sew it properly. We have attached the Jeep, after which you will proceed. This is the delicious pizza, and on one side, we will carefully place it straight like this for perfect presentation. We will carefully place the star here in this specific way, and then securely sew it again, flipping it over from the top. We will take it. So, friends, we have this here. We will proceed in this manner. After our discussion, we will turn this over. And then we will sew it from the top here. Here you will find. It should be set correctly before stitching is applied. After my friends finish playing, we will attach the other side here in the same method as we did initially, ensuring everything is secure. We will keep it this way here. It must be maintained completely equal at all times. Find it here. You need to equalize it. So that the Jeep doesn't move back and forth, it should come in a first-class manner, and our fabric should also not move back and forth. We will first make a secure stitch here, so that our finishing work can be completed properly. You can also combine the clothes as you wish. So here you see we have made one stitch here, and after this we need to make the second stitch. For the second stitch, we will do it this way right here. We will set it up once more, and here I am ready to assist with everything needed. The fabric will come in. And here we will carefully set this up nicely once again, and afterward, we will add another slide where our star will shine. It will be attached. We will have our aster on one side and something else on the other. In this way. Now you are here. The Jeep that is this. We will carefully and slightly open this section here, and the runner is currently... What? Here. So friends, here we have. I submitted it for the runner. I'll show you. Runner will come this way. Now on one side we have this level, and on the other side is the main fabric. We will start connecting from here. We will take the measurement in inches this way. We will move forward with confidence. We have finished all the stitching. Similarly, we will finish this side right here, and when we start sewing, we will carefully turn it at this point. For the gap, keep your... I have completed the full stitching while leaving it open. Now you need to make the bottom part of the base. Create one side as shown, then replicate the process for the other 3 sides, focusing on one angle. This is ours. From this side of the street, and from that side of the park. After carefully catching it like this, we now need to remove this particular stitch. And now we will take a generous 1/2 inch margin while stitching in this area.
Do it.
In this manner, we have diligently prepared one side here, and likewise we will proceed to prepare this side here as well. We will proceed with this approach, just as we will also implement it at this established level as well. So friends, here we have also made a base, and sometimes we have made a base like this. Now we need to connect with each other in such a way that our bond remains completely fixed and secure down here, where it matters most. We will keep it like this. Fabric is placed on top of the underlying material here. It is somewhat like this in a way, and we can make a slight adjustment here. From here in this way. We will securely attach this item by carefully sewing it down to the bottom edge.
We'll go.
In this manner, we also have the opposing side presented here. We will keep it arranged like this and stitch it securely here as well. We have completed both sides here. Now we need to turn back, so we have this one with us for Inch Joe. There's a noticeable gap here, so let's gradually fill it in with relevant information whenever you find it appropriate and suitable. Start it. You need to pull that much inner piece here now.
This way.
See attach. It has happened now. You need to carefully flip it here in this specific way to achieve the desired result. We will also take a look here too. A pocket has been installed here as well. And this gap that you are seeing here is this gap. We will carefully sew this fabric here and maintain it in this specific manner for better durability. We will stop here. So, this particular gap of ours has also now been closed. One side will be located here, while the other side will remain perfectly straight right here. You have the option to press it now if you would like. The decision is completely up to you. A press. The entire designated space will be available here, even on the straight side of the area. We have a charming pocket here that appears both very beautiful and quite old. We have thoughtfully designed the entire bag specifically for you here. If you have shown how to do it, then friends, you can also create a design like this. You can use any old paint or anything old you have. Just like any typical fabric, unique designs like this can be created, as I have shared this innovative idea with you today. See you next time with a new video. Thank you very much.